Welcome to GearShift Journey. So today we are unboxing DIGITEK DWM 101 microphone. So this is the box. So let's see what's inside the box and see if it's worth it. So let's seal this and see what is the inside the box. Let's open the seal first. So I'm using a normal blade. So here goes off the seal. So let's check what inside. So you can see DWM 101. So here you have this beautiful textured bag from DigiTek. Very beautiful box, guys. So let me just open and show you. Voila. So here you have you have two transmitters and one receiver, and followed by that you also get a 3.5 mm jack to connect to the transmitter, I think. So let me just see what are the contents. With two 3.5 connectors. Yeah, this is the earphones. These are the two wind mufflers which can suppress and give you a clearer sound. Oh my god. Digitech has done some good thing by giving additional cables. You have USB-C to C cable. You have a 3.5 mm jack to a USB-C cable. This is for, I think you can use it for camera. It's already mentioned over here. And this is not for charging actually. It's also mentioned in the sticker. So cables and cables. This is the phone cable again. I think it has the same 3.5 mm jack. So this is not for charging. This is a 3.5 to a USB-C. So two 3.5 jacks to USB-C cable, one USB-C to C cable. I think you can use it to connect your iPhone. And what else we have? Okay, let me just unwrap this. Okay, USB to USB-C and USB to Lightning. So Lightning cable is for iPhone 11, iPhone 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. DigiTech user manual. I think this is the QR code where you can download the app. Just scan the code and download the app. This is the manual. So you have the contents, how to connect it. The receiver is very light. It looks a bit premium. So I'll not peel off this. I'll just peel off this protective layer later. Let me just show you how it feels. So this is the receiver. You can clip it on. Clip it on like this. I think so. Yes. This is the receiver. So you have two transmitters and one receiver. Yeah. Even the transmitters also, they look very premium. These are the contents that is there in the box. What you get once you unwrap this: two transmitters, one receiver, two wind mufflers, two 3.5 earphones, cables, a QR code to download the app, and the user manual. Let's connect this device to the phone and see how this works. So you can connect this to multiple devices like laptops. You can connect to tablets. You can connect to a DSLR camera, action cameras like DJI and GoPro and Insta. So I'm using an iPhone. So let me just connect and see. So we have this Type-C connector which directly goes into the C port over here. Then plug in back into the C port to your phone. So you don't require any software to connect this. It automatically gets connected. So once it is connected from both the ends. Now let's start pairing it. So to pair it, so let us first turn on the receiver. So turn on the receiver first. Press and hold. So the receiver is turned on. So now let's also turn on the transmitter. Press and hold the button. So when the light is solid green over here, that means your receiver and the transmitter are connected. So you also have an option to pair these earphones to 3.5 mm connector over here. So by doing this, what you can feel over here is you can hear your own sound. So when you speak to the mic, you can hear what you're speaking. So I'll do that later. So now let's check the audio quality. So I'm just recording a normal testing video from my iPhone to see how it clearly sounds. The mic button is now turned on green. So let's see whether it is capturing the outside noise or not. Just told you about the green light. So there is another light that turns blue. So we'll see what is the difference on that. Light is turned blue. So now let's see what is this all about. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. 1 2 3 check. 1 2 3 check. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. 1 2 3 check. 1 2 3 check. The sound quality is really amazing. So you can use it for vlogging or any purpose, multi-purpose. So this is an hassle-free connection for your iPhone. So there is an application that you can download it from your Android phones as well. For that, what you can do is you can just scan this. So once you scan this QR from your Android phone, it will redirect you to an application store, and you can download the application from there. For iPhone, people who are using Lightning connector. So we have a cable even for Lightning connector in this box. USB to Lightning. So you can connect it even to older iPhones. So this device beautifully works well. So it's a budget friendly and a great value of product. The first key feature of this DIGITEK DWM 101 is ANC Active Noise Cancellation. So this device eliminates or reduces the background noise and gives you a balanced audio capture. Second feature is 360 sound capture. So this device has an omnidirectional software that records or balances sound equally, providing the other beneficial feature or the wonder feature of this device is it has very tremendous operational hours of battery life. That is, on a single charge, it provides 12 hours of continuous operations. So this can be beneficial for people who are shooting on a lengthy or who are shooting long videos or quite long sessions. This is an unboxing and a review of the DIGITEK DWM 101 wireless microphone system. So apart from these silent features, we also have 2.4 gigahertz of wireless connectivity, fast charging, and you also have 360 sound capture. I already discussed in the video. So if you're looking out for a decent budget friendly professional mic system, so DIGITEK is the best option. It has good features, the build quality is really good, and it has also great sound output and clarity. So till then, stay tuned or subscribe to our channel, and we'll be coming back with more videos to review. So now we just end this video over here. So till then, we request you to subscribe, share, and hit on the bell notification. So we'll be coming up with more interesting and educational videos. We'll be trying to share our experience or wherever we can reach. So till then, adios.